Let's make some cheese, parsley and garlic bread. Let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to use some flour, 3 cups of flour and cheese, butter and lard, and then I am now going to cook my yeast. Now, once everything is combined, I'm going to add the dry and wet ingredients together until you have a nice smooth dough. I am going to let that to rest for 30 minutes. From this moment, you could place it in a pan and then put it to rest, right? But what I wanted to do, and my grandson agreed, I am going to cut it with some little grooves just to make some pattern. This is just for pattern purposes, and it also give you a guide as to cut the bread. So this is what you do now. You're going to place it in your bread pan and let that rest. I let that rest for 35 minutes actually, and I think I rolled it too tight, so it started to come apart, and then bake it for the 30 minutes, and this is what it looks like when it's done. Really delicious, really flavorful. I bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I did add butter